Hello everybody. This very short video is going to show the trading after the FOMC interest rate announcement today in trading two of the currencies, the yen and the euro currency, the 6E. For some of you who are familiar with this trading system, and maybe for the vast majority of those you who are not, the Grail trading system was primarily designed to take advantage of very short periods of time for traders to trade in and make substantial profits. Most traders go wrong in that they try to trade for long blocks of time. They're fixated to their computer and they're watching their screens, and you can really make the best money trading for a half hour or an hour or say an hour and a half after specialized times. One of those specialized times and the strength of this trading approach is trading major news events and trading the news. Today we had an FOMC interest rate announcement that came out at 11 o'clock Pacific time, that is 2 p.m. Eastern. And these were the actual trade setups that this software took following the yen. And what we like to do on the software is we wait 2 minutes after the report. The report came out at, as I mentioned, 11 a.m. This line represents 11:02. So there's no guesswork involved. It's doing all the filtering. It will execute the trades automatically and manage them if you choose. But I want to show the trade setups for the hour in the yen. And basically there were, looks like a total of 5 trade setups here, and 4 of the 5 were very profitable. The first trade setup was a short trade. This was about 40 seconds past the 2-minute barrier. And as you can see, this trade really did not go anywhere. It got stopped out for about a 6-tick loss. But then the strength and great features of the Grail trading system allowed it to go long. And then a secondary long entry here. This first entry was called the Grail 1 entry. This is what's called a Grail 2 entry. I know some of you are familiar with this. If you're not, we'll try to explain this in later videos and actually in later invitations where you can actually come in to watch the live markets and watch the software pinpoint these trades. So the second trade was here, the third long trade here, and the fourth long trade here that went on for a sizable gain. This was the window period again that it was trading in. And what this points out is that most successful traders do not trade for long periods of time, and the Grail trading system is designed to take full advantage of that. So again, the 6J, that's the Japanese yen. It's a very good trader in this system. And again, you can see from the 5 trade setups, 4 of the 5 were very accurate, very profitable. Now the next chart that I'm going to show is going to be the 6E chart. That's the euro currency. Now the euro currency is much more active following an FOMC interest rate announcement than it is the yen. It generates generally about 3 to 4 times the amount of trades. But you're going to see from my analysis here, again, it was highly profitable for the first hour. This red line over on the left, that marks the 11:02 mark. That's when the approach starts to trade. And I'm going to point these trades out. This was a Grail 1 trade, which was a short trade that really, just like the other one in the yen, did not amount to much. It ended up pretty much break even on the trade, but then the long trade after that went up for a nice sizable gain. We had an attempted Grail 2 entry here on the retrace that didn't work, and then it flipped to short off the Grail 1. That enabled you to recover your loss on the previous trade, but nothing more. But then the good news was another long trade out here, followed by an attempted long again, and then flipping to short for break even. But then again, we're getting on good movement again. The euro's moving higher. The software picked up another Grail 1 long trade here for a pretty nice profit. This was the Grail 2 setup here for a nice scalp. but no big running profit. And then it flipped to on the short side right here. The short side producing a good gain, the long side producing a good gain, the long side again for just a modest gain, short side again here for a pretty good gain, and then the market took off with a long entry here. That was a Grail 1, another Grail 2 entry here, and that brought us to our 1 hour window of trading. And you can see this last trade, if managed properly, went on to make sizable gains. So again, about 3 or 4 times more trades on the 6E than on the yen, but again, an extremely profitable session. All of these trade setups were witnessed today in the Grail system, Grail trading system, live markets analysis room. And if you're watching this video, you're probably watching this because you're either a subscriber to the High% Trading YouTube website, or you received an email giving you the link for this video, and also giving you an invitation to come into the live markets analysis room tomorrow, which is Thursday, and again Friday, to again follow trading the major news events. We've got a major news event on Thursday morning and another one on Friday, including also one that affects the Canadian dollar. So we're going to be following these markets again tomorrow and Friday, and we're also going to follow the Canadian dollar as well. So again, if you're looking for a trading system and a trading approach that's purely objective, there's no subjectivity to it, that clearly marks the trades, it filters the trades in real time, will fire and execute the trades in real time and manage them if you choose. This is a terrific trading system that does this. And again, everybody is invited to come attend the next 2 days. And again, you can see this time after time setting up. So thanks for watching. I hope this was beneficial for you, and I hope to see you in our rooms the next couple of days. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.